500 grams salmon head. Prepare ingredients: 1 pcs tomato, onion, 2 cloves garlic, lemongrass, ginger. Prepare the hot pan with olive oil. Start to put onion, garlic, ginger. Tomato. Put the fish. After 5 minutes, put a water to glass. Spinach or alligator with cabbage. Boil for 3 minutes. Put a powder sour soup or lemon when no powder sour from tamarind. Of course, put a salt and black pepper and put together with spinach or alligator. And wait for 1 minute for ready to eat. And now ready to eat, perfect for rice partner. Guten Appetit! Thanks for watching.